Imagine a world where a simple idea can connect billions of people. This is the story of Facebook, a journey that began in a Harvard dorm room. In 2004, Mark Zuckerberg and his friends launched the Facebook to connect Harvard students. Little did they know, it would soon revolutionize social networking. Initially, Facebook was exclusive to Harvard students, but it quickly expanded to other Ivy League schools and beyond. By September 2006, Facebook opened its doors to anyone over 13 with a valid email address, marking a significant milestone in its growth. The name Facebook was inspired by the student directories featuring photos and basic information, a concept that Zuckerberg believed he could improve. In January 2004, Zuckerberg began coding the Facebook, driven by the belief that he could create a better platform than the university's planned directory. On February 4, 2004, the Facebook was launched, and within 24 hours, it had over 1,200 registrants, a testament to its immediate popularity. However, just 6 days after the launch, Zuckerberg faced accusations from Harvard seniors who claimed he had stolen their idea for a social network. Despite the controversy, Facebook's growth was unstoppable. By the end of its first month, more than half of Harvard's undergraduates were using the platform. In March 2004, Facebook expanded to Stanford, Columbia, and Yale, and soon after to most universities in the United States and Canada. In the summer of 2004, Facebook received its first major investment from venture capitalist Peter Thiel, who saw its potential and invested $500,000. By 2005, Facebook had dropped "the" from its name and purchased the domain facebook.com for $200,000, solidifying its brand. The following year, Facebook opened to high school students and later to the general public, marking its transition to a global platform. In December 2005, Facebook reported 6 million monthly active users, a number that would grow exponentially in the coming years. By April 2023, Facebook had 2.989 billion monthly active users, making it one of the most influential social networks in the world. In 2007, Facebook introduced business pages, allowing companies to connect with potential customers and promote their brands. In 2008, Facebook set up its international headquarters in Dublin, Ireland, expanding its global reach. By 2011, Facebook had become the largest online photo host, with over 100 billion photos expected by summer 2011. In 2012, Facebook launched its App Center, an online mobile store featuring a variety of apps, mostly games. Facebook's growth continued with significant acquisitions, including Instagram in 2012 for $1 billion and WhatsApp in 2014 for $19 billion. In 2014, Facebook acquired Oculus VR for $2 billion, marking its entry into the virtual reality market. Facebook's initial public offering, IPO in 2012, was one of the largest in history, valuing the company at $104 billion. Despite technical issues on its first trading day, Facebook's IPO raised $16 billion, making it the third largest in U.S. history. In 2015, Facebook introduced live streaming, initially for celebrities, and later expanded it to all users, competing with platforms like Periscope. Facebook continued to innovate with features like reactions in 2016, allowing users to express a range of emotions beyond just liking a post. In 2017, Facebook reached 2 billion monthly active users, a milestone that underscored its global impact. However, Facebook also faced challenges, including controversies over data privacy and the spread of misinformation. In 2018, the Cambridge Analytica scandal revealed that millions of Facebook profiles had been harvested without consent, leading to significant backlash. Despite these challenges, Facebook continued to evolve, introducing new features and expanding its services to meet the needs of its users. In 2023, a former Meta employee testified before the U.S. Senate, alleging that Facebook executives had ignored warnings about the harmful effects of Instagram on teens. Facebook's journey from a Harvard dorm room to a global social network is a testament to the power of innovation and the impact of technology on our lives. Stay connected, stay informed, and remember, the story of Facebook is far from over. Connecting the world, one friend at a time.